Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2019 Ford Transit. So basically, from any screen, from any system, you click on phone, and you'll see there, pair phone, connect to Lance's phone. Those are the ones available. We want to delete Lance's phone, so into settings, into Bluetooth, add Bluetooth device, view devices, click on view devices, there's Lance's phone, click on Lance's phone, delete Lance's phone, yes. That's it, gone. Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2019 Ford Transit. So from any screen, we make sure Bluetooth is on, click on Bluetooth like so, and then we're watching out at the bottom. Over here we go to phone, pair phone,
on your device and select it once it is found.
Ford Transit, click Ford Transit.
Confirm that the pin displayed on sync matches the
Pin
displayed on
057758, yes, so pair, and yes. Allow contacts and favourites to sync, allow.
For your safety, please stay alert to changing road conditions and use Sync's voice-activated features while your vehicle is in motion.
Automatic contact download, finish. It doesn't have access to text messaging, but that doesn't matter, it doesn't work on here. So that's it. Let me just find, there you go, Ford Transit. So that's connected. Okay, I'll just show you how to stream audio or play music through the Bluetooth audio system in this Ford Transit. First of all, we go to iTunes. Yeah, I know what you're thinking, Baz Dance Monkey, but they played it a lot on holiday and it's quite catchy. So it's just to remind me of my holiday. I don't particularly like it. But if you see there at the bottom, the silver triangle and the circles, there you go. You've got two options, the Ford Transit and the iPhone. Click iPhone, it's going to play through iPhone. Ford Transit, if you have this set up properly, then any audio that plays from here, whether it be Spotify, Prime Music, iTunes, whatever, the soundtrack of a YouTube video, it will play through the speakers in the Transit. So we'll go back to the tune. It's turned down at the moment, but if I go here to audio, click on audio, you see there, it's not showing this. We go to sources, click on sources, then you've got Barry's iPhone 13 Pro. So that's it. So that's gonna play. If I turn it up, it's gonna play this Dance Monkey, and I'm gonna turn it up. Sounds a bit like Pinky and Perky to me, but there you go. That's how you play audio. Right, so this Transit doesn't have sat nav, but it doesn't matter. If you've got your mobile, the charging lead, click the charging lead, put the charging lead in, and then if we just click that in, just watch the phone. Actually, I'll just click that back to home. If we put that in the phone, just watch out. That's it, that's Apple CarPlay. It just does everything. It shows me low fuel. Now if I go there, as I say, it's showing low fuel. If I click on low fuel, it automatically gives me the nearest fuel station, which is very worrying because it's 39 minutes away. But you can just do anything. Oops. I'm going to put the phone down now. Now, if we click on there, you'll see you can do absolutely anything. Click on music, and again, we can play any music. If I want to use my phone as a sat nav, hey Siri, navigate to PR5 4EA.
Getting directions to Preston PR5 4EA.
Go.
Starting route to PR5 4EA.
That's it. So you can be driving along,
East on Trough Road.
change your mind, go somewhere else. You don't have to take your hands off the steering wheel. Hey Siri, send a text to Barry Crampton iPhone.
What do you want to say?
Just testing the Apple CarPlay in this Ford Transit we've just taken in.
Your message to Barry Crampton says just testing the Apple CarPlay in this Ford Transit with just tightening. Ready to send it?
Yes.
Okay, it's sent.
I'm not saying it's perfect. You see there, messages come up. So,
Barry Crampton said just testing the Apple CarPlay in this Ford Transit with just tightening. Would you like to reply?
no.
Okay.
Now, I've got to say my accent, that I don't think I have, doesn't work particularly well with with Siri. So hopefully you'll have fewer problems than me. But I mean, even I think it's a fantastic system, and it can't understand me. So that tells you how good it is. So there you go. You've got your calendar, you've got settings, Amazon Music. Click on there. My soundtrack, whatever that is, based on Manfred Mann and the Turtles. That'll be interesting. The Mighty Quinn. I don't particularly like that one. Judy in Disguise, Waterloo Sunset. I got you, babe. I mean, CarPlay's just fantastic. When you go to the phone, again, you can phone anybody, but there's the phone, recents, contacts, keypad. It's a fantastic system. WhatsApp.
Would you like me to read your messages, compose a new one, or make a call?
Read messages.